Oh no! The dress!
David, you burned my dress. I am leaving now, David.
Anna, let's play together. This is fun.
Oh, I feel very tired today.
Dad, why are you sad?
I made Mom angry.
What did you do, Dad?
I burned Mom's favorite dress. I watched TV and forgot it.
The dress was on fire?
Yes. Mom was very angry.
Mom must be very sad.
She went to Grandma's house.
Let's play again. Okay, but I miss Mom.
I will sleep for a moment. Just a short rest.
I feel hungry. Me too. I want food. Dad, please wake up.
Okay. I will cook. Oh, I see a chicken. It is very hard and cold. I will break the ice. Oh, it's still intact.
Dad, please be careful.
Fire will melt it.
This cartoon is funny. I smell something bad. Dad, what is that smell?
Oh no, I burned the chicken.
The chicken is black. We have no food.
Don't worry. I will order pizza. Hello. One big pizza, please.
I am very hungry. Pizza is here.
Thank you very much.
This pizza is very good. Yes, I feel happy now.
Oh no. The house is very messy. I will clean the floor.
toys are there?
Oh? What is inside?
Where are my toys? I wish Mom was here. I have an idea. Dad, let's go pick up Mom.
Yes. I will say sorry. These flowers are for Mom.
I feel nervous.
Why are you here?
I am very sorry, Emma.
We miss you, Mom. Please come home.
I will help at home. I clean the floor. I wipe the table. I wash the dishes.
Thank you for helping, David.
Dad works very hard. Our house looks clean.
Dinner is ready.
Wow, this food is great.
I very feel happy. Yes, Tom, me too.
Yes, babies. Family is important.
I love our family.
We love you too.
I will do better.
This is a happy home.
Thank you. Thank you for forgiving me.
Yes. Let's help each other.
I like this day.